Go ahead and you start.
Hey guys, how you doing today? It is Kelly and
Dave.
And we are here with our Universal Yums box for the month of October, right? I don't know. They're all out of sync.
This one came late and it came with a rubber, like the post office. I don't know what
Universal
they did.
Yums. What's up with this? USPS. So
hopefully they didn't steal any of our.
Yeah, I don't know what's in there.
So let's see. See what we have in this one. I think this one is. I follow them on Instagram, and I think it's Scandinavia. That's what we have for us this month.
Let's see. Mm.
No, Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Didn't we get an Indonesia already?
I don't know. Did we?
I don't know. Indonesia.
I'll do it again.
Box. All right. So let's see what we got. Looks like we got some pretty cool stuff.
Well, let's go.
First one we're gonna try it's called Tic Tac.
I'm sorry, I've been sneezing and I got a little bit of a red nose cold.
Spicy tapioca snack.
Okay.
Cassava.
We'll see.
See what we got.
Okay.
Start with the spicy one first, I guess. I
don't know if you can see little balls. Everybody loves a ball.
Oops.
Little balls. Kind of like Frito barbecue chips.
Bland.
Right, though? Okay. I mean...
The heat comes afterwards, but it's...
Yeah, and will he empty that in his mouth and finish them? Yeah. But they're not... He says it's only because he doesn't like to waste things, but...
Next one we got.
Heat does come after.
Chiffon Wafer Duo.
I love spice.
Wafer chocolate and pandan cream. What's pandan cream?
We're going to see.
Let's see what it is. So it's a wafer cookie, which we have those here.
And with some green stuff in it, looks like.
Maybe it's like lime or something.
I love a wafer cookie. Let's see.
Get quite a few
they're
wafers.
very fragile. Okay. Show them how it looks.
Regular wafer cookie.
That's all it tastes like. I don't know what the pandan cream is, but damn it good. You don't care. Okay. I mean, they're very thin.
It's a wafer cookie.
It's a wafer cookie. Like you can see.
It's all over the place.
It's like all over the place. They crinkling everywhere when you try to get one. Well.
All right.
More balls.
This one is called Usagi Balls.
Who doesn't love a soggy ball?
Barbecue flavored. I'm good. I'm down for barbecue.
I want a barbecue flavor.
They're also like puffy. Like they really puff them full of air. Their bags, huh?
Maybe it helps not break them.
Maybe.
Oh my God, they make them really hard for you to open. Oh no. Taste the ball.
So that's what these look like. Like little. They look like little
Give the
tater
dogs
tots.
one. My dog's sniffing and he's like, I don't know. Have
Good
a ball.
flavor though. That flavor comes right out the bat.
It has the texture of a cheese ball.
Yeah.
Which I'm not mad at. Yeah.
I like these better than cheese balls. Those are good.
I love a cheese ball.
Now we have Crip tortillas. Roasted corn flavor. Aren't all tortillas like roasted corn flavor?
Yeah, that's all that.
Plain ones?
I guess we're going to see.
Again, with the air in the bags.
But I can appreciate that because I don't want them all crunched up.
Yeah.
But if they sell them by weight, then it's not so good. You know what I'm saying?
Little Doritos. Ooh, good though. Let's have a flavor on it. That's not just plain.
Rasa Hahong Bakor. I don't know what that means. But. Okay. Not bad. Still going after these wafers. Oh, I got a piece of it off.
Yeah, they got turmeric and paprika.
Mm-hmm. You can taste that.
I like these ones.
That's good.
I like these ones and I like the soggy. Next up.
Save those for last if those are gummies. Just because, yeah, because then who's going to want to eat that after a gummy?
Next up.
More wafers?
Coffee Joy. It's like a cookie. It's an Italian moment. Ingredient, irresistible. Oh no, indulgent, irresistible coffee biscuit. So you have an Italian biscuit from Indonesia. I wonder what that's going to be like.
Don't know. I guess we're going to find out.
You know, I'm kind of hit or miss with these coffee treats.
Yeah, I just bought the Java chip Oreos that he does not like.
How are you supposed to get it?
What the heck? That's not a cookie.
It's like a cracker. There's a little coating of sugar on there.
It's like a graham cracker. No, it's not like a graham cracker. It's a thin graham cracker. With some sugar. Wafer? I mean...
Bellissima!
It's good. It's good. Nothing
like
has knocked me off my ass yet. You know what I mean? On my ass, rather.
I like those. I like the barbecue balls and I like the tortilla chips. Last, probably be my favorite.
Yeah, I was going to say that's going to be your favorite right there. You love those.
The gummies. Gummy cows, I guess. Let's see.
Just wait, guys. Just wait.
Oh, they're like tie-dyed cows.
Oh, tie-dyed cow. Him and I could eat bags and bags and bags of gummies.
I love gummies.
I don't know their flavor other than yellow. That's good. There's a lot of flavor. A little red one. Those are a gummy.
Okay, so that's it for our box. We didn't get no special grab bag box.
My favorite. The wafers. The balls. These are good, but they taste like stuff we have here. What about you?
I like the gummy cows, the soggy balls, the tortillas.
Did you call them soggy balls?
That's what it's called. Soggy balls.
Sounds like something Italian.
Then the Italian cookies. There's a toss-up between the wafer cookies and this tapioca treat.
These would be, the wafer cookies would be good if the wafers weren't so thin.
Well, that's a wafer cookie.
I guess, but.
So, yeah. So, I mean, this was a pretty good box, though. For
yeah, I mean, it's not bad. Yeah.
Yeah. So, our next box was supposed to be the holiday box.
Yeah. I don't know if Emily's going to do it with us or not, but that'll be coming up soon.
Yep. So, that's what we have.
And that's it. So, thank you guys. Oh, what?
If they want to get your own Universal Yums box, use the code or the link in the description down below, and you'll get $5 off your first box.
All right. Well, guys, thanks for watching us eat food.
Until next time.
Yeah, as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. And, yeah, we're going to go eat some soggy balls, and we're going to have a... Oh, my God. All right, guys. Bye. Bye.